Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload and edit your first video using Veed.io. So I've got Veed.io open here in my Google Chrome browser and I'm going to quickly log in. So click on the login button in the top right, choose which account you'd like to log in with, and simply click on continue one or two times. So the first time you log in to Veep.io, it's probably going to show you a few questions like what you're using the platform or web app for, etc., etc. So just answer that pretty quickly, and sooner and right after, you're going to be able to see your homepage where with your workspaces and your projects. So let's go ahead and click on edit video, and this should open up the editor interface. So as you can see, you can choose choose what way you'd like to start your video with. You can start by generating something with AI, you can start by recording something, or you can upload a few files. So I'm going to upload a few files for now, just to keep things really simple footage, and I'm just going to randomly get a few stock videos here. So there we go. So as you can see, everything has been uploaded and automatically placed into my timeline. So if you'd like, you can change the duration of each clip by hovering over near the end and moving the trim bars. You can also split your clip in two by clicking on the split button or pressing S on your keyboard, as you can see. Now I have two segments. This is pretty useful and is one of the more common features you're likely to use while editing on vid.io. I'm going to move everything. We can move everything by dragging and dropping them. So right now, I'm not sure whether they have a ripple edit feature, but that's not the end of the world. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to cut out a portion here in the middle. I'm going to delete just to demonstrate the split picture again. And there we go. So if you go back to your video tab, you can see your asset library, and this is basically where all the videos that you have uploaded to the platform will be saved, and you can drag and drop them into your timeline if you'd like to add them. So let's see if I can create a duplicate. Yep. So Control C and Control V creates duplicates and also automatically layers them on top. So that's pretty much it for the basic controls, and we can move on to, and we should be able to move on to the rendering or exporting. I'm gonna go ahead and click on done here at the top right, and you're going to be able to see some options for video exporting. So if there are some quality options, some of them are locked behind their premium plan. That's fine. I'm going to click on standard, and I'm going to click on export video. So I'm just gonna give it a minute or two to finish loading. There we go. Looks like my internet is acting up a bit. It isn't as fast as it usually is, but sooner or later this should load and we should be able to proceed with no problem. So now that the video is finished rendering, this is what we're going to see. So now go ahead and click on no, and you have the option to share this video. So here's the download button at the right hand side of your screen. You can go ahead and click that, and this should save the video to your computer. So you can download it as an MP4, MP3, or it's a GIF. I'm going to download as an MP4. As you can see, it downloaded pretty much instantly. So that's going to be the main workflow for using vidIO. There are plenty of other features that we will explore in later videos. So that's going to be it for this one. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.